Hello everybody, welcome to another update video on gold. Just really a quick update here for gold. Not too much changed. I really just want to focus on the shorter time frame. Tomorrow there can be a more extended update once the, let's say the cash market has opened. Main takeaway here is still that the market is rather, focusing on further downside is my view. Especially as long as we stay below the 13th of November high, which formed at $4,252. Remember, we had a 5-wave decline, so I interpret this as wave 1 of a C wave to the downside, which could take us to round about $3,768. Now, if we get a bounce from here, it would just be a wave 2. That's my view, with an ideal target between $4,154 and $4,241. The main question at the moment is, though, are we still getting a larger wave 2 or has the wave 2 already topped? If the wave 2 has already topped, then we'll likely see some further downside from here, and should now see a break below $4,019 rather sooner than later. But I shared with you in the weekend update this micro support region, which is relevant as long as we're holding $4,035, we might even get that larger wave too. This here is getting super choppy. The problem is we do have a fairly clean 5-wave decline into last week's low, fairly clear 3-wave move up. That already could be all of the wave 2. But if this was the case, if wave 2 had topped, the move to the downside should actually be a 5-wave decline. But there is no 5-wave decline. It really is just a 3-wave decline so far. So there isn't really much at the moment we can work with right now. There's really not much to do at the moment, because as long as we hold above the Friday low, the market could set up for a bounce towards 4,150. It really basically all comes down to, can we hold this Friday low? And obviously there is a micro support zone, and as long as we're holding within it, the bounce to the upside, I'd say, has a chance. Below it already, the floor is starting to crack. So problem is, this really doesn't give me third wave to the downside vibes, so I stay open to a larger wave 2 bounce. But ultimately in both of these scenarios, the pressure is downward, either from up there, or from the top that formed on Wednesday last week. That's really just a quick update. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates on gold and silver, also check out our stocks membership. You can find the link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.